Good morning, dear students. The next topic which we are going to discuss is the call center. So, we know that customer relationship management is the process of communicating with the customers. And one of the most effective mode which organization use to communicate to customers is through making calls to them. And also one of the effective mode through which an organization can build relationship with the customer is to have a person always to resolve the queries or doubts or complaints of the customers. And a call center of an organization functions in that way. Now, what is a call center? A call center is a centralized office used for the purpose of receiving or transmitting the request, the queries, the doubts and complaints of the customers by telephone. So here a large functions or large category of functions can be done with the help of a telephone or over the telephone. It is also known as customer interaction center because it interacts with the customers, and it is a central point of any organization from which all customer contacts are being managed. And with this, the organization will be getting valuable customers or valuable informations about the customers. Thing which we are going to see is what is the features of a call center should have. ഒരു നല്ലൊരു കോൾ സെൻറ്റർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ കോൾ സെൻറ്ററിന് എന്തൊക്കെ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ആണ് വേണ്ടത്? The first feature is it should have a call center analytics. Now, what is a call center analytics? That is, each and every call center, each and every calls which they make should be recorded. That is, the calls should be analyzed and there should be some outcomes for each calls. This can be done with an effective CRM software which records the informations of each and every prospect customers with the details and the information which they get from the call. So one of the important feature which a call center should have is it should have a call center analytics to analyze the calls of the customers and derive certain conclusions out of that. The second feature a call center should have is an integrated agent's desktop. That is, in a call center there should be an individual who monitors each and every individual's desktop. That is, whatever thing the call center agent, each and every call center agent enters into his computer will be recorded and will be monitored by an individual person. സോ ഒരു കോൾ സെൻറ്ററിൽ ഒരു 10 എംപ്ലോയീസ് ഉണ്ട്, 10 ഏജൻറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ 10 ഏജൻസിൻ്റെയും ഡെസ്ക്ടോപ്പിൽ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡേറ്റ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഒരു കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക്, ഒരു സിസ്റ്റത്തിലേക്ക് സേവ് ആകുന്നു. So it will be integrated. The agent's desktop, the agent's data, whatever data they enter into the system will be integrated to an individual system. That is a second feature which a call center should have. There are 3 more features and objectives of a call center which we will be discussing in the next class. Learn it well. Have a good day. Thank you.